We are living during a time of potentially the greatest transfer of wealth in human history. Some of the biggest and most well-known stocks and cryptocurrencies are on sale at 50 to 90% off. And if you play your cards right, you could forever change your financial future. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best money-making opportunities available. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. But before we get started, welcome to Blue Chip Mindset, where we help people with money, personal finance, and investing. So please take a second to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you get some value from it. As the greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." What he meant was to buy stocks when prices are low and sell when they are high. The stock market is currently going through what is called a bear market. A bear market happens when a broad market index falls by 20% or more from its most recent high. The average length of a bear market is 388 days, or roughly 13 months. Millionaires are made during bear markets because stocks are discounted significantly, which means you can buy more for your money. When prices start to return to their all-time high or even higher, your initial investment would be worth more because you paid less for it. So, when you hear someone say, buy low and sell high, this is what they mean. Many of the biggest companies in the United States are now selling for major discounts in the stock market. Tesla shares are down 43%, while Amazon shares are down 45% over the past 12 months. Facebook shares are down 66%, and Google shares are down 35% as of the time of making this video. On average, these companies' shares are down about 50% from just 1 year ago, and they may slide down even further. If you've never bought stocks before and are confused what to buy, it's hard to go wrong with high-quality ETFs. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF, which has the ticker symbol SPY, is not only the oldest U.S.-listed exchange-traded fund, but it also typically has both the largest assets under management and the highest trading volume of all ETFs. This alone makes the SPY the mother of all S&P 500 ETFs. If you still don't see the big picture when it comes to investing in stocks, check this out. If you would have invested just $100 into the S&P 500 in 1990 and reinvested the dividends paid out annually, that $100 would now be worth $2,147 in 2022. That same $100, if invested in 1980, would now be worth $9,977. And if you invested $100 in 1970, it would now be worth $18,256. There's a saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So, if you've always wanted to buy stocks but never opened up a brokerage account to buy them, then there's no better time than now. I currently buy my stocks on an app called Webull, and if you tap the Webull link in the description below, just by opening an account, you'll get 30 fractional shares of stocks for free at the time of making this video. So go ahead and take advantage of that amazing deal. Another way to get rich during a recession is to invest in cryptocurrency. If you pay any attention to the crypto world, you know it's falling in price almost daily. Just 1 year ago this month, in November of 2021, Bitcoin reached its all-time high of $68,789, and many investors were counting down the months until it hit 100,000. In just 12 short months since then, it has fallen 73% back down to around 16,000, and many people think it'll fall much further. But it's not only Bitcoin plunging in price. Other cryptos that are well known, such as Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP, are also down more than 70% as of November 2022. With everything happening in the crypto world, with companies like Voyager, Celsius, Three Arrows Capital, and FTX just recently going bankrupt, it's the wild, wild west when it comes to investing in crypto. So how does all of this bad news about crypto have the potential to make you rich? Well, millionaires have already been made in crypto. Many people bought Bitcoin when it was under $20 and sold it when it was around $50,000 or $60,000. Same thing with coins like Shiba Inu, which went up 9,100,000% from its low to its all-time high in October of 2021. This means if you had bought $100 of Shiba Inu at its low price and sold at its high, you would have made $9,100,000. Another example is a cryptocurrency made famous by Elon Musk called Dogecoin. This coin went up 9,884% within 5 months in 2021, which would have turned a $100 investment into $988,400. Now, are these examples common? No, but keep in mind it's still extremely early when it comes to cryptocurrency, and as of today, only 4.2% of the people in the world have invested in crypto. With crypto users growing at around 80% a year, this makes it the fastest rate of technological adoption in human history, even faster than the internet, and almost everyone in the civilized world uses that. So, if you want to get in early, now is your chance. Just know that this is a highly volatile investment and much riskier than buying stocks, so buyers beware. However, the greater the risk, the higher the potential reward. Another way to get rich during a recession is to start a small business. When I was younger, I knew in my heart I never wanted to work for somebody else. I would play with my friends for a few hours after school and see their dads come home from work in the evenings. They looked every day like life just kicked the crap out of them. They looked utterly miserable. At a very young age, I knew that wasn't the life I wanted for myself when I got older. So the very first business I started was a lawn care business. I started it in my junior year of high school at 16 years old with nothing more than a used lawnmower, a weed whacker, and a little word of mouth. I found something that had a low cost to entry as the risk was almost nothing. And even though I am no longer in that business, to this day, I still do not work for anybody else. So, if you've always wanted to start your own business or side hustle, there's no better time than now. Unfortunately, many businesses have gone under since 2020 due to, well, you know. And many of those businesses had leases or equipment they used to run their business. If you go on Craigslist, for example, you can see people trying to sell their equipment at fire sale prices, or landlords looking for new tenants at bottom dollar leases. This is just one idea. Another idea is to find something you're good at you can offer online. This way, there is no signing of leases or buying equipment. Whether it's writing, speaking, graphic design, or successfully managing social media, these, plus many more, are services you can offer for sale at Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. You can easily make $100 to $200 per day doing freelance projects for other people if you have a skill set that others are willing to pay for. You can use this money to invest and have it compound yearly. If you have no interest in starting a business, I suggest doing everything you can to make a little extra cash to invest. Prices and times like these don't come around very often, so you must take full advantage of them when they do. So, what will you be investing in, or how do you plan to make a few extra dollars to put towards your financial future? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.